Hey everyone, Divya Pandit here. So here I've come with my next reading for Virgo for July 2021. So let's see what we have in July for Virgos. July. Virgos, you're totally wanting to control the situation and you're also ready to make that effort to control. But at the same time, Virgos, you're feeling very, very stuck in a situation. It is related to your work. Wow. Well, Virgos, I feel that you're trying to balance your money. Not that the money is not there in hand, money is there in hand. A lot of money is there in hand, but sometimes even if we have the money, we feel stuck because there is no movement. Okay, balancing your work is happening right now. It's not very good. Sorry. I will say the first week of July for Virgos, it's going to be a lot of energy of betrayal. There is a lot of betrayal happening around you. Somewhere I feel that you feel cheated, you feel betrayed by somebody in your workspace. Maybe somebody promised you something and did not give you, or somewhere somebody went behind your back and took away what you had. Something like that. The first week is going to be a lot of cheating and betrayal energy. Also, I feel it is a time for endings. A lot of time for endings. You're going to end a lot of relationships in your life, okay, and you're going to start new. Now this cheating energy that I'm talking about, it might resonate with some and it might not with some. I feel it is to do with more to do with backstabbing. You've been backstabbed by many people in the past, and in the first week it might happen again. Please work on your trust issues, Virgo, because the more you work on your trust issues, the less you are cheated. So first week there's a lot of cheating, betrayal energy, lot of energy where you are going to feel very, very emotionally low. You are not going to feel good about it. Also remember, these things show up in your life because you need to learn a lesson. Somewhere the universe wants you to move on from the toxic people who were nice to you on your face, but they were actually very, very toxic and negative. So this is the way how universe shows you that you should move on from these people and start new somewhere else. Even the second week, I feel there is a lot of discontent, a lot of explosions in relationship where you're going to have fighting. See, what happens is the second week energy, I feel the similar to the first one. Why? Because it's not going to be as severe as the first week, but the second week is going to be a little lighter, but it is going to be because there is an imbalance in energy. See, where there is imbalance in energy, one is giving, 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 and the other person is taking, taking, taking. So there has to be a break. It's like a lightning coming from the universe and striking you and telling you, dude, you need to wake up. So that is what is going to happen in the second week. And the third week, there will be definitely some kind of decision, communication you're going to make to start new in your life. Okay? And the fourth week, there is an energy of feeling very generous towards people around you. You're feeling emotional, you're feeling that you need to be giving money to people around you or gifts to people around you, maybe your children, family, brothers, sisters, colleagues. Somebody you're going to feel very generous because you've gone through so much and you're beginning new in your life. So you need more positive energy, and that's what you're going to do. Maybe you will do a lot of donations also. That's what I feel. Donating things to other people. So that is what is going to happen. So let's start with the first week is total betrayal energy. Second week again is going to be a little ungrounded, imbalance energy. Okay. Third week you're going to begin new decision, new communications are coming. And fourth week is generosity, giving away things because you're feeling better at that. Right? So Virgos, please take care, because as you know, you've taken this reading, you need to take care of your mental health more than anything. Okay, so let's see. possible the first, second week, whatever is happening could get better with the same person also in the third and fourth week. Right? That's a possibility. Okay, so let's see what we have in our love reading. Lot of root chakra energy here. Heart chakra is totally blocked. I feel that Virgos, you're still not coming out of your sadness mode in the month of July. You will sit, you will take time off, because here is a card of resting and reconsidering a lot of issues in your life. So whatever's happened in your life in the past, you're going to sit and reconsider in the month of July. You're not taking any steps in your relationship or love or anywhere else related to relationships in the month of July. You're going to just sit back and think, because your root chakra is also blocked. When your root chakra is blocked, you don't connect with anyone. So I feel if you work on root chakra in the month of July, it will be good. Do a lot of breathing exercises. Okay, the simple one I always make people do before meditation is taking 3 deep breaths or 7 deep breaths. Every day, 3-4 times a day is going to really give you a lot of mental clarity. Your heart chakra is also blocked here, so you have to work on your root chakra and heart chakra, because things have happened with you that has blocked your heart chakra. You are actually sitting in sadness and isolation, which you will come out of, but you will take your time. I feel you will take your time. Okay, some truth will be revealed to you. Very big truth is going to come in front of you, which maybe you were not looking at all this time. Maybe you were blindfolded by other people's manipulation. So some very big truth is going to come to you in the month of July in your relationships, and you're going to realize something. After that, you're going to take a decision which you were waiting to take. Okay, and then you will take a lead in your relationship. So I feel the first 15 days of the month, you're going to take time off, 15 to 20 days. I think only in the last week you're going to make some kind of decision in the month of July. You're going to just rest. Yes, you're going to just be in your mind, in your head, thinking, dreaming, fantasizing things. You're not going to take any kind of steps in the month of July. Only towards the end you will get up and try to take a decision. So take care, Virgos, as it's not going to be a very, very amazing energy. But yes, this is a general reading. See, it might resonate to some, it might not, but it is a truth what I see. And I want you all to do your grounding during this time. Just lie down on your stomach on the floor and draw some energy from Mother Earth that will give you some grounding, and it will also take you out of the negative emotions. Okay, so let's see what fairies have to say to you. New beginnings. The fairy godmother heralds and the joyous news of a new baby, or the birth of the cherished idea. Protect and nurture your ideas as you would a baby. So I think this means that something new is going to start in your life. Anything to do with small child means a new beginning. Okay, and I feel that your fairy godmother, whoever you believe your angel, believe in your some ancestor. I feel it is more to do with your ancestor. One of your ancestor, female ancestor, is protecting you. Could be your great grandmother, grandmother, or so on. And I feel that she's sending you a message that you need to protect yourself right now, because there are a lot of negative energies around you. And to protect yourself, I feel that I can see the colors in this card that are rising, which are green color crystal and a white color crystal, both selenite and green aventurine. You can keep it under your pillow with the intention of protection and clarity. Please do that, so that you will get a lot of protection, and your mind will be clear. So when things are not doing good, we can't think clearly. Okay, we tend to be blocked. So please keep these so that you get clarity and you are free of all the negative energy. Right? So that's all, and see you all next month. I'm making more videos which are coming up soon, and that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Call me for paid appointments only at White Light Healing Center with the ER at gmail.com. Bye. Bye.